Hello, students. Today we will see a new chapter, that is social responsibility and business ethics in business. So, let's see first what is social responsibility. So, social responsibility is basically an obligation to a business organization to act in a certain manner which will benefit the society and overall environment. So, this is basically social responsibility. Now, these responsibility are different to different members of society, because there are several classes of members of society which are connected in any manner to the organization, and the responsibility of the business is to all the responsibilities towards these different sections. So first see, let's that responsibility towards owner and investors. So business has the responsibility towards owner and investors, because owners and investors provide them capital, and the business is supposed to give them back profit, in expectation of which they have started the business, and also the capital should be intact, that can be repaid at any time. So this is the responsibility of business towards owner. Again, responsibility towards consumer or customers, that means to supply such a material which will benefit them and definitely will not harm them, customers, and to provide good quality and standard quality products, and to educate customer about the product and new use of existing product or new product. Cost should be uh, decreased by their own efforts, so that customers or consumers can get the same product or service at a lower price. Again, some responsibilities are also towards employees. So employees work and they devote their efforts and life for the organization. So organization has also some responsibility, like paying regular and fair wages, increasing the salary at times according to the cost index in the market, providing them social security, safety at the workplace or in the home. Also the social security should be there. Their family members should be benefited by the measures adopted by the organization. So these are the responsibility towards employees. Again, some responsibilities are also towards government, like paying taxes regularly, following all the rules and regulation, and not harming any societal segment, so that automatically government's responsibility is paid up by this. So these are basically the points. Again, business ethics are there, which regulate socially determined moral principles which govern the activities of a business. It is not called law since it is not enforceable by law, but it is ethics. That means automatically the businessman or the business organization adopts and follows these ethics, so that social norms or generally accepted principles are followed only in the business. So go through all this study material. I will discuss all the things in the live class on Thursday. Thank you.